Yes, children. Now I showed you Mendeleev's table, okay, and I made you understand that how he has left gaps in between and how he predicted the properties, and he said that some elements will be discovered later, okay, all that he said. Okay, let us see now what are the achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, you should know the periodic table, how he made, only then you can understand these also, right? Okay, now the elements in his table, they are arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass की increasing order में from left to right इस तरीके से arrange किया हुआ है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक, इस तरीके से, like this. Okay, that is how he has arranged all the elements in the increasing order of atomic mass. And atomic mass is a fundamental property, तो such a fundamental property use करके इन्होंने table बनाया, वो बहुत बड़ा achievement था. ठीक है? And also, once he arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass, he put the elements with similar properties in the same group. He tried his level best to put them in the same group. Then, number 2, he left spaces for the elements to be discovered later. This is what I showed you in the table. कैसे उन्होंने जगह खाली छोड़ा है उसके बाद डिस्कवर होने के लिए. ठीक है? So he left spaces. So that is a great thing. And not only he left spaces, he predicted the properties of those undiscovered elements. वो elements discover ही नहीं हुए थे, फिर भी उन्होंने बताया उन elements की properties ऐसे ऐसे होंगे. So he predicted the properties also. Okay. And then he corrected a few errors with respect to atomic masses of certain elements. कुछ elements की जो atomic mass थे, what was known that time, it was wrong, and he said that this could not be the atomic mass, it should be like this. So like that he corrected the atomic masses of certain elements. Like in the case of beryllium, people were thinking that its atomic mass was 13.5, but then he was the one who corrected it to 9. Like that he corrected the atomic mass of gold also. Okay. Now, जिसके लिए उन्होंने जगह छोड़ी, 3 elements के लिए उन्होंने specifically he left spaces. What are those 3 elements? How did he name them? He named them as Eka aluminium, Eka silicon, Eka boron. This is how he named. And today how they are known? Eka aluminium is named gallium, Eka silicon is named germanium, Eka boron is named scandium. Eka means what? It's a Sanskrit word, right? Eka aluminium means जहां पे उन्होंने जगह छोड़ी. ठीक है, मान लो ये खाली जगह है, इसके ऊपर इन्होंने एल्यूमिनियम है. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे गैलियम बाद में डिस्कवर हुआ, Ga, ये बाद में डिस्कवर हुआ है. ठीक है, एका एल्यूमिनियम क्या है? यहाँ पे जो एलिमेंट आएगा उससे पहला एलिमेंट एल्यूमिनियम है. वन एलिमेंट ahead, one element before this is aluminium. This is how he named. Today it is named gallium. Same way Eka silicon is today named as germanium. Eka boron is now named as scandium. Okay, so these are the main achievements of Mendeleev's table. Now apart from that you can include this also, but at that time noble gases were not at all discovered. Okay, so you can't call this as an achievement of Mendeleev's table because he did not put them. Okay, so try you write the first 4 as achievements or main points of Mendeleev's table, you can say. But this you can include as a point. Write these 4 first and then come to this one. So noble gases after their discovery could be placed in the table. कैसे? Already 8 groups थे. 9th group, I told you for the time being leave it, is it not? 9th group सीधा add हो सकता था without disturbing the table to accommodate the noble gases after their discovery. Okay, so the table was not disturbed at all. Still later discoveries could also be added to it. So that was an added advantage, the way he prepared the table. Okay. They were discovered late. Why noble gases were discovered late? Because they are inert. They do not react. Okay. They are inactive and they are present in very low concentration in the atmosphere. So किसी को पता ही नहीं चला, उसको डिस्कवर करने में ही बहुत टाइम लग गया. ठीक है. So they were not known initially. After their discovery, they could be added to the table. Is that clear? So this was one great advantage of his making of the table. Now let me show you how this Ika aluminium and today what you have gallium, how it is coinciding with what he said. Now look here. Element in Mendeleev's table, how did he name? He named it as Ika aluminium. And the atomic mass was 68, that time what he told. Okay. After the discovery of gallium, what they found, the atomic mass was 69.7, which is very close to 68. Same way Ika silicon, according to him, the atomic mass was 72. But today it is discovered in the name of germanium, whose atomic mass is 72.6. Again, it is very close to 72. Right? So these are the achievements of Mendeleev's table.